get those two. Wait, no, let's shoot. Hey, Louie. How's our Bones' shoe?
Okay.
Will she let you wear one?
Uncle Phil.
Yeah, huh? Any more squirrels? I don't know. You're the squirrel finder. You found those other ones.
I found one! Now that's just... It's thick. I can't move. Do you? This saw something. It's mine. But when I leave, it's mine.
Yeah, when you leave, absolutely.
But it's mine. But when I leave, it's mine. I left that. Uncle Phil, that looks kind of like an eel up there.
An eel?
No, an eel.
Oh, an ear?
Yeah.
Where?
Look. Looks like a dog eel.
Yeah.
How do you do this?
Maybe it's a dog tree.
Squirrel. It probably is a squirrel one. Anti-squirrel. Anti-squirrel. Are you going to that picture?
Uh-huh. Oh, let's see here. Come here, follow me.
Are you going to show almost that?
That picture of the squirrel?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll show her that picture of the squirrel.
What is she going to say?
You're going to say, oh, man, I wish I was there. Hey, Louie, show the girls how you jump off this thing.
I know. What can she jump on?
Jumps off that. Oh, you do it.
Usually do that.
Usually she jumps off the top.
I always jump up this. What, up this top?
Yeah.
No, this top right here.
Yeah.
Oh, he got some right here. This top,
Yep.
but not here. Go. That's touching down there.
Seriously, she jumps right off the top.
My knee don't go anymore.
No?
Oh, does she go like that? Does she go like that? This is not cool.
No, those stairs. We don't play on those stairs.
Does Estelle do this?
Mm-hmm.
Did she go down from this?
She jumps from the top like you did.
Only go in the middle. Oh, I can do this one, and you can go. Molly does with this sometimes. She just went.